All right, guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a list out of the folders and how to skip it in batch skip tracing, and then how to save it back into the folders when you get a new list. So starting off on the right side of the screen, I have our folder system. So inside of here, you're just going to go to Amalgam. You're going to go to Acquisitions. You're going to go to North Carolina, Cold Calling, and then for batch. So in for batch, you have a bunch of different lists, but I'm just going to use the one that's called a demo at the top, so that way we can get a quick idea of how to work. So all you're going to do is open up your internet, and you're going to go to batch skip tracing, and I'm going to log out so that way you can see what it looks like when you first get on the website. Okay, so let me log out. All right, so when you first log in, when you try to log into batch skip tracing, this is what it looks like, and we're going to give you everything that you need to log in. You'll get all of that from Charles. So come in here, you click this, you copy and paste the information that Charles provides you for logging in. You click here to accept terms of services and privacy policy, and then you click log in. So in the middle of your screen, if you look at my mouse, it's going to be a big button that says bulk skip trace. You just click that, and then you can either drag a file over here, or you can click here to upload. So since I have it side by side, I'm going to drag my file. So inside of here where I keep my file, I'm going to drag a demo. There we go. I'm going to drag it over here and just drop it on the screen. And you see it says a demo, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to hit this next arrow. So you hit that, and then it takes you to what's called the matching screen. So here you're just going to be matching first name, last name, property address, city, state, and zip code. But usually the files that we give you, if you notice, I didn't have to do that. As soon as I hit next, it was already done for me. So since it's already done for me, I'm just going to click next. And 9 times out of 10, it should be done for you too. So if it's ever not done for you, just let us know and we'll try to fix the problem. So I'm going to go ahead and click the next arrow. And here you have, it's going to give you an example of what the data that you're putting in looks like, right? You don't have to worry about this at all. The only thing you have to worry about is up here. It says name your list. Since we named it a demo, I'm going to name this one a demo skipped. So the goal here is to name it whatever it was already named, and then at the end just add the word skipped, so that way we know that it's been skip traced. And I'm going to click the next button, and then last but not least, you're going to type in the coupon code on the payment screen. So this month is July 800. That's the coupon code. So what's going to happen is we're going to give you the coupon code that you need to use for these lists. You don't have to worry about remembering it. We're going to give it to you. So this month is July 800. Once we figure out, next month, we'll be giving that to you. And then last thing, you just click pay. And then after you pay, you can go back to the home screen. And here you see we have 2 demo skips. So there's 2 here because I already did this just to make sure that it would work for the demo. But yeah, so once you skip a list, it'll be the top list in here. So I didn't actually do the second one. As you can see, it says 0%, total hits, total cost, everything is nothing, because I didn't want to pay for it twice. So I'm going to use the one that I already did right below it. So if you look here, all the way on the right side of the screen is an arrow that lets you download it. So if you click this arrow, it downloads your list. And that's all there is to the website. That's all you're going to ever need to do. Then if we just go back to the files, we're going to go to downloads. And you see inside of my downloads at the top, it now has a demo skipped. So what happens is I'm going to right click that, and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go back to our folders. So remember, it's Amalgam, Acquisitions, North Carolina, Cold Calling, and then this time it's going to be for the callers. So while I'm right here, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to paste that list. And then I'm going to drag that list into for callers. And I already did this because, like I said, I skipped it already. So I'm going to click replace, but usually you won't have to click anything. So that's all there is to it. You just get the list from for batch, you skip trace it, and then you drag it, you get it from your downloads and put it into the for callers. And that's all there is to it.